Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. Welcome to the lecture number 6 of IT Need Assessment and Technology Evaluation. We were discussing types of information system in the previous lecture. The topic of today's lecture is what is management information system? Management information system is used by managers so they can deal with different type of information to perform their daily tasks, monitor progress, supervise activities, and can make decisions. So that is the basic objective of management information system. There are several examples of management information system, MIS, are inventory system, attendance system, then daily production, assignment of tasks, project supervision, office information system. They all are under the management information system. MIS are used to generate different type of reports. That is the core objective of management information system. So what are the main types of reports? There are three types of reports generated by MIS: detailed report, summary, and exception. What is detailed report? As the name is indicating, it is used to show detailed information about any subject or object, like administrative view of list of all students enrolled in the current semester, or list of students enrolled in specific course like software engineering course, or list of all products in the stock, name of the suppliers, distributors. Whereas summary report, it is a summarized view of information like the grade sheet of a student shows how many grades he obtained in any course, or list of products left in the stock or delivered to a specific customer, or summarized view of students' grade, that how many students in a course got A plus A, B plus B, C plus C, D plus D, and F. The 3 got A plus, 5 got A, 6 got B plus. So that's summarized view. And the exception, something in excess or something in shortage, like list of products in the stock, or list of students got A plus or F, or list of employees left the job early before the office time or reached to the office late. So late attenders, latecomers, or the students who joined the class late. The next type of information system is decision support system, DSS. So what is DSS? DSS helps decision makers for the top management, chief executives, board of directors, board of governors. So TPS, transaction processing system, is used by lower management, MIS is used by middle management, and DSS is used by top management. So DSS provides an interactive dialogue with the decision maker about the specific domain, about the specific problem, and generates alternative solutions. There is no specific or true perfect solution. It's a possible, like GPS will give you possible routes. For example, you have investment and you want to invest in specific business. So DSS will ask you about the investment amount, the duration, and it will generate alternative solutions that you can invest in stock exchange, or you can buy a land, agricultural land, or commercial land, or purchase some plaza or construct some plaza. So that's the different, or loan, give loan to different people, to business people, or production, like how many orders are there. Based on the order, General Motors using DSS, that how many orders will be delivered in the next year. So based on the number of orders, they have production. Or scheduled flights. American Airlines is using DSS to schedule their flights. United Airlines, California Pizza Chicken is using DSS. Same like MIS is used by many companies, Unilever, Nestle, Almarai. In America, there's a company, Borden Inc., dairy company. They have 45 dairy centers throughout USA. So DSS is used by decision maker to have alternative solutions, and decision maker will select the solution. So the correctness of the solution does not affect by the decision support system. The correctness of the solution, the which solution DSS decision maker will pick, it is up to him. So it may go right, it may go wrong. So DSS generates all possible solutions after manipulating the business models that is previously entered into the system. Interactive dialogue session helps a decision maker to make a decision after considering all solutions with respect to consequences, pros and cons. So decision maker has to use his experience to select the best solution that can be wrong, that can be correct. The fourth type of information system is expert system. What is an expert system? Expert system belongs to artificial intelligence. So under artificial intelligence, we have expert systems and we have neural network based system. Expert system works like a human expert, to give you a definite solution of a problem that is missing in the decision support system. It will give you one solution, definite solution. Correctness of the solution may be wrong. It uses reasoning capabilities like humans based on logic to reach a conclusion or final decision, like a human expert. There are several examples of expert systems for troubleshooting, for disease diagnostic, timetable scheduling, weather forecasting, flight scheduling, production scheduling. My university from where I did my master, its name is Staffordshire University. They are using prologue-based expert system that automatically schedule the timetable based on the number of students, number of instructors, number of classrooms, and it's conflict-free. And you can have view of next semester courses, next semester classrooms, instructor, time, everything. And there will be no conflict because it considers all constraints. So that's expert system. And there is an eye care expert system working in Egypt and Algeria, in the far areas, remote areas, where rural areas, where a human expert, eye specialist doesn't want to visit. So the technician using this system will enter the problems of the patient, the symptoms of the disease, and based on the symptoms, the eye care expert system will provide a definite prescription and the treatment. One example I just gave you for the timetable scheduling system, prologue-based timetable scheduling system. Citibank is using an expert system for investment. General Motors, General Electric Company, they have an expert system, and that project is called Delta. And they have an engineer, his name was David I. Smith, and he worked with General Electric almost 40 years. And he was solely responsible for whole USA, all states, to repair the diesel engine, which is a very famous product of General Electric Company. And he has to travel a lot. So his salary was almost $150,000, and traveling expenses, hoteling expenses, other expenses, daily food expenses, taxi, mobile. It was costing almost $300,000 to General Electric Company. And then after 40 years of service, David I. Smith put his resignation to General Electric that thank you very much. My health is suffering and I want to get retired. Then General Electric Company started project named Delta and asked him to transfer all of his knowledge into a system. And it took 5 years to build that system, and it was deployed in all service centers of General Electric Company throughout USA. Now, any diploma holder, any technician, just enter the problems of the engine into the system, and this system, expert system, generates the architecture of the engine, how to fix that problem or replace any part without damaging other parts, and the safety measures. So that's very famous case study of expert system. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.